Delicious empty salna which goes excellent with parota. Half cup of coconut, about 10 to 15 cashew nuts, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds. I have about 2 green cardamom, 2 small pieces of cinnamon sticks and about 4 cloves. I'm going to put all this together. Along with this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, add water, hot water, and soak it for about 30 minutes. I'm going to take 1 large onion and 2 large tomatoes and chop them fine. Along with this, I'm going to take about 5 to 6 green chilies, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. The onions are finely chopped, the tomatoes are ready. I'll make a fine puree of the coconut and other items soaking. I'm going to prepare today's dish in my pressure cooker. Take about 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm using peanut oil. Once that's hot, I'm going to add some whole spices which I'm showing you on this video. There is bay leaf, star anise, some kalpasi, that is stone flower, green cardamom, cinnamon and cloves. Once that is roasting, add a teaspoon each of fennel seeds and cumin seeds. Saute these whole spices for just few seconds and then we'll add onions. Add a teaspoon of salt which will help the onions cook down, and I'll also add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Coconut paste is ready while the onions are still sauteing. Once you start seeing that the onions are soft and a little bit of oil is separating, add the ginger garlic paste and the green chilies. You can see the oil is separating on the sides. It is time to add the tomatoes. Saute it well, cover and cook it till the tomatoes are nice and soft. I've covered and cooked the tomatoes for about 3 minutes now, and when I open, it is well cooked. The tomatoes are nice and soft and I can start seeing the oil is separating. Now I'm going to add some spices. I have a tablespoonful of coriander seed powder, a tablespoonful of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. While the gravy is sauteing and cooking down, I'm going to go ahead and chop some coriander leaves and fresh mint. This will be a handful of both put together. I had covered and cooked this gravy for another 3 minutes, and when I open, I see that the base gravy is well cooked, the oil is separating. Add the coriander and mint that we have just chopped and mix it well. This will give out a lot of fragrance and taste to this gravy. It will totally mimic the non-vegetarian fragrance that the gravies have, which is just addictive. After sauteing for a minute, add the coconut paste which we have made and follow this with a little bit of water. Just rinse the jar and take out all the residue and add about 2 cups of water to this gravy. At this stage, taste for salt, and if it's less, add a little bit more to your taste. Just clean up the edges, and when you start seeing that the gravy is bubbling, it's time to close the lid and take about 3 to 4 pressure whistles, and we'll open to see the empty salna. Wait for the pressure to release naturally and the lid should be comfortable to open. And here you go, the empty salna is ready. You can see that the oil has separated and come on top. Now if you want to adjust the consistency, just turn on the gas again, and if you would like to evaporate a little bit more of liquid, you can do so. Let's serve it up. Take it out in a serveware, top it up with more coriander leaf, and your guest will be asking for more and more. This is a recipe that is a delight for vegetarians. Try this recipe, like and subscribe my channel, and let me know when you made it and how did you enjoy it. For one portion, take 2 hot parotas. These are nice and flaky. Just crush them up with a paper towel and loosen up all the layers. Now top it up with a generous portion of the empty salna that we've prepared, and alongside keep some fresh cut onions and enjoy a great meal. This is a delight. Your guest will enjoy. You will enjoy. Like and subscribe my channel. Let me know how the empty salna turned out for you.